Hey, what's happening? So I'm in Strong Coffee Marketing right now. I'm in front of a mural I just finished. I've been working on this one back and forth over the week. And so for this piece, we wanted to do something in their boardroom feature wall that was bold and impressive, that felt, of course, on brand for them, that wasn't too crazy and wild and colorful because they do have some more corporate clients and work with government a bit. So wanted to make sure that that first impression was still clean and professional. Yeah, we found a really good balance, I think. I'm proud of the painting I did for this piece, and I'll show you some close-ups shortly.